The Sounds of Chow Gar is a unique musical work featuring the cinematic portrayal of traditional Chinese kung fu forms. My name's Tom, I'm composing the music, and the creation of this work, I'm excited to say, is just about finished, and it's premiering on the 16th of February this year, 2024. All of the rhythms that are latent in the kung fu are taken as the foundation for the music. And that music is performed live. We use a little bit of technological trickery to make sure we're absolutely in time with what's happening on the screen. Chow Gar is an experimental music duo, which is me and my electronic instruments, with Nozomi Amate, who is an extraordinary percussionist. And we, Chow Gar, are joined by the Black Square Quartet, a string quartet from Brisbane who have been noted for their remarkable performances, their virtuosity and their expression. I want to say they're a new kind of string quartet who are really keen on embracing new possibilities for that kind of ensemble.
Just thought of something.
Yes.
I'm gonna need someone to tune in this movie. Like, there's no way my strings are
Well,
gonna last for
yeah.
50
So
minutes
where it
of
will
all
stop
smashing.
is... Tell me if this is not enough, but it does stop several times. So where you just got to now, I'm actually going to have...
a great place to tune.
Everybody stand and bow, so there will be stage lights come up, and everybody stands up, bows. One thing I've learnt over the years is I don't just write music, I write music for people. People who play it, or people who inspire it. And the members and the teachers at the Australian School of Kung Fu and Tai Chi are truly inspiring people. It's been a real privilege for me to be able to make this music about them and about their art form. And I'm happy to say that our project tells their story. It's a story of tradition, of physical motion, and it's a story about breathing. And we're hoping to share this story with you.